Hey guys, so like I made like a little dance because like I want to be in the dance. I want to be in Dance Moms, but so I kind of want to show you. It's only like a minute long. Y'all can time me. Okay. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna do the front handspring. I don't think I'm the next Maddie, but I definitely think that was good. Comment what you think I should fix, or if you liked it or not.